Hi, I'm Mr. E, Low Grade King, doing a Friday challenge that Alan at Comic Collector Geek does every Friday. And this Friday he's doing airplane covers. I had to look real hard for this because I ain't got hardly none. So, the honorable mention is Star Wars number 15, the 50th anniversary. It's got Ewoks with their primitive gliders. It's a precursor to airplanes. Number 10, Brother Voodoo, Strange Tales number 169. There's an airplane right here, the tail end of it. You can barely see right there. That's why it's number 10. Number 9 is Batman 53. A variant cover. Right here, the Batwing is being chased by helicopters. I'm assuming police. That's a real cool cover. Got great art to it. Number 8 is Non-Stop Spider-Man number 5. If you look up here, there's a jumbo jet and in front of the sun, I guess. Spider-Man is falling from it. I think it's really neat. I got this out of a value pack. Number 7 is Wonder Woman number 2 from the 1987 series. Steve Trevor is fighting a demon or a zombie or something at 30,000 feet. Wonder Woman's coming to the rescue. Just love this detail of this cover. Pretty sure George Perez cover. One of my favorite covers. It's got a lot of detail. Just awesome. Number 6 is Wonder Woman 295. Right here. I got it out of a dollar bin. And right up here are the jets attacking the invisible jet. It's a pretty neat cover. It's a nice big chunk right here though. Number 5 is Wolverine Volume 3, number 26. The airplanes are right here. We got too much glare. I think you can just barely see them now. Alright, number 4, Alpha Flight 63. Box is being attacked by jet fighters. And right up here he blew one up. And there's another one down here with a neat little cockpit. Number 3 is Avenging Spider-Man number 9. It's qualified 9.4. As you see, 3 jets are in the background here. There's one here, here, and here. It's qualified grade because it's got a price sticker right here. Number 2 is Our Fighting Force number 95. I think it's the first appearance of Red Dog. Anyway, I found this at a local comic book store for a couple of dollars. I really like the cover. Got a lot of action. Now, number 1 choice is G.I. Joe 115. You got a Cobra Rattler right here. You know, shooting up a G.I. Joe fire jet right here. Got a lot of action to it. Yeah, my biggest surprise was I forgot I had this. I went through all my boxes looking for it. That's all the airplane covers I have. No more. Went through all my boxes, and I came across this. I forgot I had it. It's the first appearance of Pebbles. So I forgot I had it. I bought it a long time ago. So thanks to you, Alan, I found it. Now I don't have to buy it now. Alright. That's it. Hope you like it. God bless.